Good morning, Shastrakal, Assalamu alaikum, Namaskar, and good morning. Sorry, my apology. Today, I am taking the basic need of business and the importance of HR. The audience, most of them are MBA graduate or pursuing the MBA or management discipline. They will, and the people who are experienced, they will understand what I am going to talk about. 5M. 5M's means what? The basic 5 things which are required to conduct any business. And role of others are equally important as the role of HR. Since I am from the HR fraternity, so I will little bit throw more light on that, but I will not leave other 4 points simply. Men is the first requirement. If you are inducting any business, then how you will run the business? Business operation, business manufacturing will be taken care of by human being. So very important role of men. Men means the people from the HR department. And that too also, one burning point is always there, is right man for right task. Though it is the phrase coming out of the recruitment, but it is very important at this point of time also that if right man has not been selected for the right task, establishing the well-maintained coordination, the whole purpose will be defeated. So, to run the any kind of business, let it be factory, will be run by men only. Men, why I kept first, but the convertibility of rest of the 4M's is in the hand of the men. You have to bring the money, you have to bring the investor, you have to take the loan. Yes, but who will convert this money's values into profit? Human being. Material. To manage the operation, to manage the manufacturing, material is needed. Who will utilize the money material at most optimum level is the man. So again the man come on the first rank and first value. Machine is also will be brought by way of purchasing it, involving the fund, involving the money. But suppose you got the fund and you are going to select the machines out of good vendors. It is men who will run the machines. Who will run the machines? If man as a machine operator is not there, purpose is defeated. You may say, you may argue with me that machines are automated, automatic machine. Pressing the machine, starting button, closing button, and in between if anything goes in order or out of order, then it's a man. We are not talking about the number of men. Number of men will be decided by the owner, chairman, MD of the organization, but it is mine. Market is required, are also more important sometimes, because create the network, create the client, induct your product into market, let spread the product knowledge into the people. All these kind of the thing, even if going to be handled, it will be handled by the man. Who will penetrate the market? Human being. Irrespective to vice president marketing, sales, general manager marketing and sales, that we are not talking, that we are not distinguishing. What we are trying to show, that it is man. Whole industry, let it be service industry, let it be manufacturing industry, let it be any kind of the industries, cottage industry, tiny industry, all will be run by man. Going few points above, money will be also managed by the man. That person may be chairman, managing director, investor, owner. Irrespective to this, he is also man. So coming back, to run any business, importance of 5 M's are, let us put on the fingertip: man, money, material, market, machine. All these 5 M's, again, man, material, money, machine and market. These are the ingredients which are very important to induct a company, to induct a service oriented organization, service oriented business, and in respect to other small and tiny industry. Do take care of human sentiments, human involvement, and human contribution in all your walk of business life, either converting the money into profit, either converting the machine into rotation, either converting the market into profit. So all five, main, material, money, machine and market, all these will be efforted to convert into business profit. All will be supervised and operated for the benefit of the organization and making multifold profit. And thus organization starts talking a story of success manifold. Success manifold. Success, success, success and success in each walk of business life. If these are the things taken care of, that is the 5 M's, then business goes hand to hand. It progresses like anything. Its profitability goes high. Employees are happy. Investors are happy. Shareholders are happy. Everyone is happy. And training provider like Dr. Srivastava is also happy. This was a story of a 5M into business life, business growth, business induction, and the role of the HR in different walk of its domain. Why I am saying recruitment, payroll, formalities, legal, licensing, compliances, statutory compliances, data management, portfolio management, all these are taken care of. Thank you very much. But having said that HR is having good role doesn't mean that other 4 M's are not. No, other 4 M are also equally important. Thank you very much.